in the coming weeks. Today, we are also introducing a new 5G device designed to take its place at the pinnacle of the 20 series lineup, the TCL 20 Pro 5G. After we launched the TCL 10 Pro last year, we listened to a lot of consumer feedback. Much of what we learned was integrated into the TCL 20 Pro 5G. As the flagship of the 20 series, the TCL 20 Pro 5G features several improvements to display, performance, connectivity, and design. We are proud to say it's like no other TCL phone that has come before. As you come to expect from TCL, it all starts with the display. The TCL 20 Pro 5G has a beautiful, curved 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, providing a truly immersive viewing experience, along with an all-new NextVision 2.0 intelligent display. In NextVision 2.0, TCL's new display optimization technology has some amazing features, which have the ability to produce stunning pictures, present some highly immersive experiences. Let's start with the smart picture technology. When you're watching movies or videos, AI visual enhancements can distinguish between various types of scenes. From a bright sunny day in the city to a splendid night view where shadows and light mix, the display is able to recognize the environments and adjust colors, contrast, sharpness automatically. NextVision also includes SDR to HDR video enhancement. No matter the quality of your video, the TCL 20 Pro 5G can convert it into an HDR in real time, bringing forth more vibrant colors, sharper contrast, refined details. Using advanced technologies like these to improve image quality is one of TCL's hallmarks, but when we are capturing photos and videos of our family and friends. We also want to make them look as natural as possible. With this in mind, NextVision 2.0 also introduces True Flash Tone. This feature can restore the original tone of your skin, while separately enhancing the background lighting, sharpness and contrast, providing a more lifelike result. Speaking of color, the 20 Pro 5G's True Color display is embedded with industry-leading color management technology that makes it possible to enhance color accuracy even further than before. With this feature, color gradients will appear more smooth, accurate in pictures and videos, with detail presented in natural, vivid vibrancy. This is especially practical in today's climate, where we are doing a lot of shopping online. Let's say you want to buy a red shirt or dress. You want to make sure the color you see on the screen matches on what you will get when it shows up at your door. True Color display comes in especially handy for these situations like these. All of these features incorporated into our NextVision 2.0 technology make for one amazing display and viewing experience. But just don't take our word for it. Independent third-party test lab DxOMark can also attest TCL's excellence in visual display technology. Last year, the lab reviewed the TCL 10 Pro with NextVision and ranked it with a score of 83, placing it first among phones in the same price category. This year, DxOMark tested the TCL 20 Pro 5G and gave it a score of 89, driven by the advancements of NextVision 2.0. This is a significant improvement that continues to position our leading smartphone above several competitors, some of which cost almost twice as much in today's marketplace. Besides the displays, we also look forward to getting feedback from DxOMark for our camera performance. We've made a lot of progress in this area and are confident that you'll be happy with the final results. The TCL 20 Pro 5G features several important upgrades over the 10 Pro, including a powerful 48 megapixel Sony IMX high-resolution sensor in the main rear camera, 3 additional rear camera modules and an HDR-enabled 32 megapixel front camera. It also combines optical image stabilization technology built in, which allows for smoother photos and videos, making it even easier to produce professional-looking photography on the 20 Pro 5G. Not only are you going to take these great photos, you'll get even better videos thanks to 4K video capture available on the front and rear-facing cameras. Video HDR will ensure that you capture cinematic-like details, no matter the lighting environment, and Super Steady Mode provides incredible sharp videos thanks to a stabilization algorithm. The high-resolution front-facing camera sensor will make it possible to transform your everyday selfies into 4K video shots. You can even get an excellent backlight shot when you are in dark. As the name of the phone reveals, the 20 Pro 5G comes with the latest generation of connectivity. Not only does it offer great speed, it's also smart with energy-saving, dynamic technology that automatically switches between 4G and 5G based on the data usage and network availability. It's also powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 750G chipset, an octa-core CPU. And with 256 gigabytes of internal memory, you'll have the ability to store plenty of videos and images. And in case you need even more space, you can stick in a micro SD card of up to 1 terabyte. In echo of the one-piece design language we introduced earlier, TCL 20 Pro 5G takes a brave move to integrate it with its unique design. Unlike most other phones, you won't see a camera bump on the back, which often causes your phone to wobble back and forth when it's on a flat surface. With the 20 Pro 5G, it stays in place no matter what. It has an ultra-slim body, simple and elegant back, and dual-sided 3D glass contour, which makes it extra comfortable to hold. In addition to the sophisticated back, you probably already noticed the elegant surface finish that combines matte and gleaming accents. The TCL 20 Pro 5G will be available in moondust gray and marine blue and offers a very sleek and stylish design that can fit into any lifestyle. There is an interesting story behind the unique color of the phone. For a long time, our design team was struggling to find a color that can symbolize a state of relaxation, variety, and inclusiveness of life. They finally found it, which is the blue color of the Aegean Sea. Makes them fall in love at first sight. Over the last 2 years, they sourced thousands of types of coating material with prototyping in an effort to truly match the color they dream about. And they eventually found the one and only blue color transition, which exactly conveys the state of mind they were looking for it. It is realized through the original nanometer process that more than 263,000 of circle line radiates together in response to the presence of ocean salt we are anticipating. That's how our fantasy comes true. Going even further, we are also introducing 2 companion accessories today. The first is a transparent edge flip cover specifically designed for the TCL 20 Pro 5G. The cover not only protects the phone screen and back from scratches and other damages, but also gives the user the ability to use the case as a horizontal stand to watch videos and make video calls. In addition to the smartphone case, we want to highlight our Move Audio S600 wireless headphones as the perfect audio accessory for the 20 Pro 5G. Available in moondust gray to match the smartphone. These earbuds offer hybrid active noise cancellation and a superior in-ear fit for all-day comfort, along with several other features that make taking calls and listening to music more enjoyable. They also offer support for Google Voice Assistant, so calls can be made without even touching your phone. Both of these accessories perfectly complement the 20 Pro 5G and further reinforce the notion that design and technology together are necessary to attract today's consumers.